Today, I'm going to show you how to create a seamless Instagram carousel in Photoshop step by step, even if you've never made one before. This is one of the easiest ways to design a clean, continuous swipe post that looks professional, grabs attention, and makes your content feel much more polished. If you're a creator, business owner, or social media designer, this workflow can save you a ton of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and go up to File, then click New. This is where we're going to build the full carousel canvas in one single document. The key here is to size your canvas based on how many slides you want. For one image, use 1080 pixels wide. For two images, use 2160 pixels wide. For three images, use 3240 pixels wide, and so on. Just multiply 1080 by the number of carousel slides you need. Then set the height to 1080 pixels, because Instagram carousel posts use a square format. Keep the resolution at 72 and leave it in 8-bit mode. Once everything is set correctly, click Create. Now that your canvas is ready, it's time to bring in your design or photo. Go to File, then choose Place Embedded. Select the image you want to use for your carousel. Photoshop will place it into your document as a smart object, which is perfect because it keeps your image editable and high quality. Now resize it so it fits your full project exactly. You want the image to stretch across the entire width of the canvas with no empty space. Once it's lined up properly, click the check mark at the top to confirm and lock it in. Next, we need to create guides so we can divide the image into equal parts. Go to View, then Guides, and choose New Guide Layout. This is the step that makes the whole carousel feel seamless. In the Columns field, enter the exact number of images you are creating. So if you're making a 3-slide carousel, type 3. Now pay close attention to the gutter box. If you see double lines or extra spacing, delete the value inside the gutter field so it's blank. That removes the gap and leaves you with clean single lines between each section. This is important because the carousel has to line up perfectly when users swipe through it. After that, click OK. Once your guides are in place, it's time to slice the canvas into separate carousel images. Go over to the Crop tool in the toolbar. Click and hold it, then select the Slice tool from the menu. With that tool active, look at the top and click Slices from Guides. Photoshop will instantly divide your full canvas into individual slide sections based on the guides you just created. At this point, you should be able to clearly see each carousel panel separated for export. Now comes the final step, which is batch exporting the carousel files. Go to File, then Export, and click Save for Web. This is where we make sure each slide is saved correctly for Instagram. Inside the Save for Web window, select the Slice tool from the side toolbar if needed. Then zoom out so you can see your full project on the screen. Hold down Shift and click to select all of your slide images together. That way, every slice will be included in the export. Under the settings, choose either JPEG or PNG, depending on your design. If your artwork has photos and detailed visuals, JPEG usually works great. If you need transparency or sharper graphic elements, PNG may be a better choice. Make sure the quality is set to high quality. Then check that your export settings match these specifications. Format should be images only, settings should be default settings, and slices should be all slices. After that, click Save at the bottom. Choose your destination folder, give the files a clear name, and save them as JPEG if that's your selected format. Once the export finishes, you'll have a numbered set of carousel images ready to upload to Instagram in order. When you post them sequentially, they'll connect together into one smooth, seamless design that looks like one long image split across multiple slides. That's what creates the polished carousel effect that keeps people swiping. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a seamless Instagram carousel in Photoshop from start to finish. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop and social media design tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.